What's up guys? Guys, thank you for your support, thank you for everything. Continue subscribing manze. Tumetoka far, you have taken me far. What I can say is that thank you manze for my viewers, and guys, I'm humbled manze for this far. So continue subscribing guys, continue subscribing. So our topic today is how people have been asking, how have you been able to establish a welding company at a very low age? By the way, I started my welding company nikiwa 18 years, 19 years. At 19 years I had started this job. By the at 19 years, I had employed 7 people. At 19 years, I had done a lot of jobs, manzi. I had done in big companies, I had done in everything, and that's why I said, manzi, God, you have been there for me. So guys, I'm here to tell you how you can start a welding company. Guys, I think you need to look at your area and see how the welding is working. You see? So, let's say umepata ile course, the technical course. Let's say